Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify passive loss limitations using CPA-led tools, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the concept of passive loss limitations. Passive losses occur when you invest in activities where you do not materially participate. Recognize that these losses can only offset passive income. Familiarize yourself with IRS guidelines regarding passive activity losses. Next, gather your tax documents from the previous year. This includes any forms related to passive activities, such as Schedule E. Consult your CPA to review your financial situation. Ask your CPA for access to specialized software or tools. These CPA-led tools often provide a detailed analysis of your passive activity. Enter your passive income and losses into the software. The tool will categorize them based on IRS rules. Identify which activities qualify as passive under the guidelines. Review the carryover of any disallowed losses from prior years. The CPA tool should also provide a summary of your current year situation. Analyze the output carefully, noting any excess losses. Discuss any discrepancies with your CPA for clarification. The CPA can advise on strategies to optimize future passive income. Keep detailed records of your passive activities for future reference. Lastly, ensure ongoing communication with your CPA for updates on tax laws. This proactive approach will help you stay compliant and informed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.